A lot of people ask me about my fitness routine, how I train, what I eat. But what a lot of people don't realize is that I used to be pretty unhealthy, out of shape, and overweight. I've actually gone through a few body transformations in my life, and today I wanted to share with you my first. Hello, my name is Roberto Portales and welcome to my channel. This is the quick story of my first body transformation. Growing up, I was pretty healthy. I was active in sports. I played baseball, football, wrestling. I did well in high school athletically. I was in pretty good shape going into West Point. But starting about 19, 20 years old, I started struggling with a little bit of depression, anxiety, and I used alcohol and food to cope with it. I probably gained about 50 or 60 pounds in a couple years, and I was struggling to pass my Army physical fitness test. While I was at the academy, I had tried a few times to go through a body transformation. I even had my best friend, Aaron, hide dessert for me at the dinner table. And sure, I would make it for about a week or two, but then I would just give up because I didn't have the motivation. I didn't have the drive. I didn't care. I graduated West Point in 2011. I was a second lieutenant. I headed to Officer Basic School for Military Intelligence, and I continued the cycle of eating and drinking and probably getting into even worse shape. When I got to my first unit in Tacoma, Washington, I'm sure a lot of people looked and said, hey, look at that out of shape second lieutenant. And sure, I felt some embarrassment. I felt that, geez, I should get in better shape. But I still just couldn't find that motivation and drive to do so. But shortly after I got to Tacoma, Washington, I learned that I would be deploying to Afghanistan. In May of 2012, I got on that plane and I got to Afghanistan ahead of my battalion to go ahead and help set up supplies and logistics for them. A few days in, I heard from my battalion commander that in 3 months' time, I would be taking over a platoon. And this platoon would be doing combat missions in Kandahar City, tracking and targeting high-value individuals in the middle of the night. I was so excited to take over my platoon, but then I had a coming to God moment where I realized I need to get in good shape. My future soldiers, America's sons and daughters, deserved someone who was in great shape, a leader who was there in all aspects. And it was that motivation that finally got me on track to conduct my body transformation. Since I was in sports growing up, I knew how to work out. Obviously at West Point, we have a big physical fitness program. But I really didn't have an idea how to take 3 months and completely transform my body. So the first thing I did was I got on the internet and I searched, I Googled. I came across bodybuilding.com. If you go back to my first video that I posted, I share with you how I track my workouts from bodybuilding.com on BodySpace app. Back then they didn't have this app, so I had to print out all my workouts and write it all in. But I still found all the information I needed from that site. I looked through all the programs and Chris Gethin really stood out to me. I loved his intensity, his whole no excuses attitude, and I tried to emulate it. Sure, in Afghanistan, you don't have access to the greatest food. It's hard to eat super healthy. But one good thing is that you can't drink. And although you work 12, 14 hours a day, you really don't have much to do with the rest of your time, so you have plenty of time to work out. I'm 5'9", and at that time I weighed about 210 pounds. I found Chris Gethin's 12-week hardcore daily trainer, and I watched every single video. I did every single workout. I did every single cardio. I didn't have any bad food. I tracked all my workouts. I worked out with intensity. I did exactly what Chris told me to do in his videos. And in 3 months' time, I dropped down to about 170 pounds. I was a skinny 170 pounds. When I cut back all that fat, I didn't really have all that much muscle left. But I was in really good shape. I ran the fastest 2 mile I'd ever done in my life. Working with my platoon, we went on missions almost every other night. But I wanted to do more. Sure, I had lost all that fat, but I wanted to gain back some strength and muscle. So I looked up Chris Gethin again and I found his 12-week muscle building program. I followed that, and by the end of the next 3 months, I was up to about 185 pounds, but very muscular. When I look back through that transformation and through all the other failed transformations, it's very easy to see what was different about that time in Afghanistan. It was all about my motivation. Without the right motivation, you won't make it very far in a body transformation. If you're looking to transform your body, I challenge you to find the most motivating thing you can think of. It might not be for yourself. It might be for your children. It might be for your spouse. But whatever it is, find that. Just like with most things in life, with the right motivation, you can go further than you ever expected. I never ever expected to be in as good a shape as I am now. In fact, when I got back from Afghanistan, a lot of people didn't even recognize me. I went up to one of my girlfriends to give her a hug and she kind of backed away from me and didn't even recognize me. But I didn't stop there. Throughout different phases of my life, I found new motivations. A new motivation to compete in men's physique. A new motivation to try to be in fitness modeling. And through finding those subsequent motivations, I was able to transform my body a few more times. I hope that this is not the final product. I believe that we can always get better each and every day. Thank you for watching and listening to my story. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with your friends, leave comments for what your motivations are, and I hope to see you again in the future. Thanks.